Hey guys, just want to give you a quick run video of my Hoover wind tunnel V2. Don't recall ever running this one yet. It is pretty loud because, can you tell? Bottom plate is pretty screwed up. So, do what we can. So it works, but it is really loud because of that. So, go ahead. And, give it a quick run. And it's set a little too low. And yeah, it's got some work it needs done. It's that light shorting out too. And you could do this to just straight suction by turning this off. Excuse me. Sorry guys, just sneezed. But here's the dirt tank. Kind of like a wind tunnel. Just a little bit different. Well, like a normal wind tunnel, I mean. Get your little attachment door. So yeah, there's another filter down below here. So yeah guys, there's just a quick run video of my Hoover wind tunnel V2.